Finally, WhatsApp dark mode is here. It is one of the most demanded feature in WhatsApp over the last few years. The WhatsApp dark mode is finally available for both Android and iOS. You can now manually set the dark mode for WhatsApp or can have the app even out with the phone's default theme. I'm not only going to show you how the dark mode looks on WhatsApp, but will also tell you how to enable it on both iOS and Android devices. So without wasting any more time, let's get into it. So if you have an iPhone, that too with the iOS 13, then enabling the dark mode is a cakewalk. All you need to do is just pull down the control center on your iPhone, activate the system's dark mode, and automatically it switches the WhatsApp to the dark mode. Easy as a pie. Well, activating the dark mode on the Android device is a bit different. Drag down the control panel and toggle the dark mode. You'll find that nothing changes at all in WhatsApp. So what you can do is tap on more options on the top right hand corner, go to the settings, in settings head over to the chat section. At the top you'll find this theme option. In case you don't find this option, you just need to update the WhatsApp application by going into the Play Store. If that's already up to date, you'll probably have to update the phone. Look for any updates available. If you're done with this, then again go to the control panel, enable the dark mode, and this time you'll find the dark mode activated on WhatsApp. Or if you fail this time as well, then go to the settings option, open chats, and under the theme options, select system default. Then guys, the dark mode is there. If you don't want to switch the entire phone to the dark mode, you can choose the dark mode option instead of system default. So now let's take a closer look at what the dark mode look like. You can see that it is identical to the previous mode in all the ways. The interface and all the options are at their respective spots. Certain changes have been made to the color rather. The chat bubbles now has a darker shade and not the white and green. The blue tick marks have turned darker, which were earlier light in color, to go in contrast with the dark theme. Also you can find that the reply heads turn darker to match with the theme. The best part is all the text on WhatsApp is now in grey instead of white, as white shade is quite bright and wouldn't have solved the purpose of dark mode. So that is how you can enable the WhatsApp dark mode. This is all for this video, and let me know in the comment section that are you going to use the dark mode on WhatsApp. Also, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel Techno Boost. I'll see you in the next one.